How much is this watermelon?
It's $3 per piece.
Can I get a discount?
Sorry, the prices are fixed.
Do you sell fresh bread?
Yes, it's right over there.
I need 1 kilo of apples.
Red or green apples?
These tomatoes look fresh.
They arrived this morning.
Can I pay by card?
No, only cash is accepted.
Is this organic?
Yes, it comes from local farms.
I'm looking for cooking oil.
Aisle 3 on the left.
What time do you close?
We close at 9 p.m.
Can you pack this separately?
Sure, I'll use 2 bags.
These bananas are too ripe.
We have fresher ones here.
Where can I find salt?
It's near the rice section.
Is this item on sale?
Yes, 20% off today.
I forgot my wallet.
You can pay by phone too.
Can I try this before buying?
Sorry, tasting is not allowed.
I need eggs, but they're broken.
Let me get you a new box.
Are these prices negotiable?
Only for bulk orders.
Do you have shopping baskets?
Yes, near the entrance.
This basket is too heavy.
Would you like a trolley?
Where's the billing counter?
Just straight ahead.
Can I return this later?
Within 7 days with receipt.
Do you sell cold drinks?
Yes. Fridge is on the left.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
Please check the ingredients label.
Are these locally grown?
Yes. From nearby villages.
How much for a dozen eggs?
That'll be $50.
Can I carry my own bag?
Yes. We support that.
I can't find the sugar.
Let me help you.
I dropped a bottle by mistake.
Don't worry. We'll clean it.
Are there any special offers today?
Yes. On rice and lentils.
Can I pay later?
Sorry. No credit allowed.
Is this cheese imported?
Yes. From France.
I want something spicy.
Try our chili sauce here.
How long will this last?
Check the expiry date below.
Can I use this coupon?
Yes. It's valid today.
Do you sell ice cream?
Yes. All flavors are in the freezer.
Why is this so expensive?
It's a premium quality product.
Can I have one without plastic?
Sure. Here's a paper bag.
Do you have loyalty cards?
Yes. Sign up at the counter.
I want something quick to cook.
Try these instant noodles.